Hey there, fail fans! Get set for a fresh dose of construction catastrophes. From toppling towers to slippery ladders, these moments will have you in stitches. Like the video, comment your favorite moment, and subscribe for more chaos. Thanks for joining us. Let's roll with the mayhem.
Hey there, Chuckle Crusaders! So weren't those construction bloopers just the wildest? Did my gang of hard hat pranksters have you howling so loud you scared your cat off the couch? Don't even think about clicking away. The next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers inventing new ways to trip and tools staging their own slapstick show. Leave now and you'll be haunted by the ghost of missed laughs. Hit that subscribe button, drop your funniest stories, and let's keep the giggles pouring. We're done here, people. Hope you had a blast and didn't spit out your coffee. Thanks for watching. Swing by tomorrow at 7 p.m. for more shenanigans. Toodles!